This bronze statue is 108 feet tall. According to the World Book of Records, this is the first and the tallest bronze statue of a founder of a city. It is called the Statue of Prosperity or Pragatiya Pratime. We are talking about the statue of Nadaprabhu Kempegowda. Who was Kempegowda and why Bengaluru remembers him? Let's know everything about this 16th century chieftain who founded Bengaluru. Welcome to Pathanti Gyan Ka Microdose. The statue of Nadaprabhu Kempegowda was unveiled on 11th November 2022 at Kempegowda International Airport in Bengaluru. It has been built to commemorate his contribution towards the growth of Bengaluru. The statue weighs 220 tons, 98 tons of bronze and 120 tons of steel. It has a sword weighing 4 tons. Renowned sculptor and Padma Bhushan awardee Ram Vanji Sutar has designed the statue. Nadaprabhu Hiriya Kempegowda, also known as Kempegowda, is regarded as the founder of the Karnataka capital Bengaluru in 1537. He was a chieftain under the Vijayanagar Empire. It is said that Kempegowda got the idea of building a city during a hunting expedition towards Sivasamudra near Hesarghatta with his minister Viranna and advisor Gidde Gowda. Kempegowda was a close aide of King Krishnadevaraya of the Vijayanagar Empire. He provided financial assistance to build Bengaluru city and erect forts around its periphery for its protection. Kempegowda is also known to have developed around 1000 lakes in the city to cater to drinking and agricultural needs. Let's talk about other such big statues of India. Statue of Unity. It is the largest statue in the world and located in Gujarat. It is 182 meter high and built in the memory of the country's first Deputy Prime Minister as well as Home Minister Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Number 2. Statue of Equality. The Statue of Equality is also known as the Ramanuj statue as it was built to commemorate the 1000 years of Vaishnavite saint Ramanuj's birth. It is located in Hyderabad and made out of Panchadhatu, which means a mixture of 5 metals. It is 65.8 meter high. Number 3. Vishwas Swarupam or the Statue of Belief. The Statue of Belief depicts Lord Shiva and it is located in Nath Dwara, Rajasthan. The height of the statue is 106 meter. It is the world's tallest statue of Lord Shiva. That's all about the founder of Bengaluru, Nadaprabhu Hiriya Kempegowda, his statue and other such statues in India. We hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.